Hey guys, as you can see here, Omarete Vilato, the basement production. I am making my own burgers. There we go, my own burgers. I bought the ground beef, 88% fat, lean, 20% fat, and I'm making my own stuff. As you can see, making a bowl out of it. I already upload a video of July 4 making burgers. Now this burger I'm doing it myself. Like I said, I bought the ground beef, 88% lean, 20% fat. You could buy 90% lean, 20%, 10% fat, whatever you want, whatever you like, whatever is your choice. Then what you do is nothing to it. I season it with adobo and lemon. That's about it. Nothing much. Put it right there. There you go. Same thing here. To the side. There we go. There you have it. So that's more than a quarter burger right there. The other one. This is my first time I'm doing this. I want to see how it's gonna come out. There you have it. Burgers. Make it stick. Throw it in the fire. Bowl. I'm sorry if you're gonna hear me talking. It's just me mumbling over here. Trying to tell you guys. Like I said, this is the first time I do this. Hopefully this stuff come out right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna load down the fire. Because I don't know, never tried it before. Like I said guys, this is just a try and error. I'm doing it again, making my own burger. Like I said, let me repeat it one more time for those of you that don't understand. I went to the supermarket. Let me close this down. I went to the supermarket and I purchased ground beef, 88% lean, 20% fat. You could get 80% lean, 10% fat. You could get 90% lean, 7% fat. It's up to you, your choice of meat. It happened for me to grab this type of meat because that was the one available. I went to the supermarket, grabbed the 88% lean, 20% fat. The more fat, the better, because it will burn the juices. It will integrate into the beef, and it will taste super good. So, like I always say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Omarete Vilato, the basement production. Leave your comment down below. Click that notification bell so every single video that I make go directly to you. Like the video, share the video. Once again, Omarete Vilato, the basement production. I put a little barbecue sauce on top. And this is what I'm gonna do. Go like this.